Padova, Borgoricco.
Welcome back to our channel. We've got some intense weather updates coming in from Italy, and it's been a wild ride. Let's jump right into it. Bad weather has been wreaking havoc in Veneto, Italy, with not one, not two, but 4 tornadoes striking the north in just 2 days. Italy is in the grip of some extreme weather phenomena, all thanks to an Atlantic disturbance making its presence felt. After a tornado struck yesterday, another one hit today, this time in Borgoricco, in the province of Padua. The aftermath? Damage, and lots of it. Images accompanying this report reveal a trail of debris scattered through the air. In terms of rainfall, Veneto has seen its fair share of precipitation. So far, the numbers stand at 33 mm in Salvatronda, 22 mm in Castelfranco Veneto, 19 mm in Schio, and 12 mm in Monta.
Che disastro. Guarda, sembra che piova cenere.
The tally of tornadoes keeps rising. Besides the 2 vortices that touched down in Lombardy, specifically between the provinces of Milan and Monza Brianza, another tornado paid a visit, this time in Piedmont. This whirlwind formed in the late afternoon, likely in the wooded area east of Gattinara, nestled between the upper Versailles and Novarese regions. Fortunately, this tornado only lasted a couple of minutes, and there have been no reports of damage so far.
Madonna, Eric.
Io sono troppo abituata a vedere i film.
Sì, allora non siamo venuti mai. Stai tranquillo.
It's been a whirlwind of weather in Italy, and we're keeping a close eye on the situation. Subscribe our channel for more updates.
Oh, thank you.